the famous book, if you don't do morning and evening adhkar, try doing it one day and that day is going to feel different. Okay, I read this book for this. As I say, I call this a Muslim girl's weapon. So this is the morning ritual in terms of adhkar and du'as. Assalamualaikum besties. So today is Friday and currently I am done with my entire morning ritual, Fajr, du'as and adhkar, my whole skincare routine. Oh, okay, wait, let me show you quickly what morning du'as and adhkar I did for maximum productivity and barakat throughout my day. So firstly, I did this Al-Hisbul Azam, the famous book. Okay, if you don't know, then it has du'as for every day of the week. And today I did this du'as for Friday. This is okay, do this, okay, please do this. It's going to change your life. If you don't do morning and evening adhkar, try doing it one day and that day is going to feel different. Okay, and then I also did, okay, since it's the day of Friday, you should read maximum Durood as much as you can, inshallah. Friday is the day that Adam alayhi salam was created. He was sent to Jannah on Friday and he was also taken out of Jannah on the day of Friday. And Friday is the day that Qiyamah will occur. And also there's a hour in the day of Friday. There's a special hour where if you make any dua, your duas will be accepted, inshallah. Of course, any jais dua, your duas will be accepted. So make sure that throughout the day you are not letting any minute or hour pass by without making some dua, right? Friday is a very important day in Islam. On the day of Qiyamah and in Jannah, to be closest to Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, try to send as many durood as you can. I read this book for durood. You go. I read until page, let's see, 11. I read until page 11, and inshallah the rest of it I will carry on after Asr, because it's beneficial to read durood after Asr. And then lastly, this, as I say, I call this a Muslim girl's weapon. It has beautiful duas. Okay, you can read anything from here. If you don't know what this is, right, please watch my other videos. I have explained all of these in much more detail. So if on days when I'm really busy, or on days that I'm late, I didn't wake up early in the morning and I can't read the whole thing, I just read the important duas. That not important, all duas are important, but I just read the duas that apply to me specifically in my situation, right? I read the duas from here that I really need that day. Okay, I know that I will be needing this dua according to my situation. So this is the morning ritual in terms of azkar and duas. And this I'm going to finish after Asr with my other Friday surahs, Surah Kahf, Dukhan, Surah Jumuah. I will explain these surahs and why you should read these surahs on a Friday with all of its benefits after Asr, inshallah, including this. And today's agenda, let me show you guys quickly. We are having a busy day today. So right now I have to study. I don't like studying, but I have to finish 2 chapters today. It's so difficult, but I read my morning duas for maximum productivity and barakah. Inshallah, Allah will help me with that. It's fine, it's okay. And then we need to film a video about Quran, that Quran tags sticker thing, right? That video is so delayed, but I will explain in the video why it took so much of time. And then we have been invited for supper tonight, inshallah, at someone's house, and I will take you guys along with me. So let's get to it. I'll just study quickly and then film the Quran video. And before going to my friend's house, after Asr, I will talk about Friday surahs and Durood, inshallah.